Hello everyone, this is my review of the HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag. This bag is unisex. You can use it for men and women. You can get different sizes as you need. It comes with a strap and an additional pouch, a waterproof pouch for your phone as well. It's pretty tough plastic type of material, and to keep your valuables dry, you just fold over the top of it 3 times, and you click those two clips together to keep it in place and keep it sealed. And we'll demonstrate that to you later. But it has a pretty good room there, so like I said, you can get different sizes. So this is the bag for your phone to keep your phone nice and dry. And you can also use your phone while you have it inside the bag. You can use the touch screen. I'll demonstrate that for you now. Okay, I got my phone there now. I'm just seal it up by closing these clips, and it's sealed up. And you can see I'm operating the camera on the phone now, and I can take pictures and everything. And you can see that it's actually super clear, even through the plastic. Unless the plastic is dirty on the outside, you could still take pictures while it's in there and use your phone and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Okay, here I'm putting my shirt in the bag, then roll up and put it in the water so you can see how it protects your valuables or your clothes from getting wet. And this is how you seal it. Just roll it up and you clip these two together and you seal the bag. Okay, and just drop the phone in there. Put the bag in next. Okay, here's the bags with the shirt still sealed inside of it. And I'm going to toss it around inside the water. Get it all wet and everything, submerged, so you can see how it comes out. Okay, take the shirt out now, and you can see that it's still dry, completely dry. Next, take out the phone. Now remember, the phone was laying down in there the whole time with all the water in there. So now I'm going to open it up and take it out the bag. And you see there's no water in the bag. It's still dry and it still works. So this is a really good product for taking to the beach, to the pool, or any place. So I hope this review helps.